See, always the CPM has got a good regard for the judiciary and judges. But in the recent past, some serious allegations like a particular judge speaking on communal lines and dealing on communal lines in the courts, such a thing will not give respect to the judiciary. There was a long debate about the High Court judge, about G.R. Swaminathan, among the media, among the press and everything. Because his preaches, his approaches, some lawyers have filed a complaint against him. He is dealing like this. The communal is favoring the communal forces like that. Some complaints were forged against him to the Supreme Court, Chief Justice of Supreme Court. But we never take it seriously. But as far as the Thiruparamkunda affair is concerned, the way in which the single judge has approached the case and delivered judgment has created an opinion that G.R. Swaminathan's judgments are not secular, are not according to the Constitution. So to bring the notice of the Chief Justice, the Chief Justice to the knowledge of GG about the judgments of the G.R. Swaminathan, we are preparing a petition on him to the Chief Justice of India. So in that, because regarding lighting the Deepam in the Thiruparamkundam temple, there was a tradition. There is no point of changing that to other places. It has been repeatedly, this was discussed in the Madurai High Court for the past 10 years. Somebody again and again demanding to change that place. But all the judges has refused to accept the demand and they have rejected the case, dismissed the petitions. But suddenly Justice G.R. Swaminathan has taken it up. No point, when a petition is coming, it is a responsibility, duty of the judge to hear it. No point. We are not, have got no different opinion about that. Even he went to visit that place. That is also not, we are not worried about that. He passed a resolution. He passed a verdict. That is, from this year onwards, Deepam should be lit on the Deepam Toon. It is not at all a Deepam Toon. It is a measuring pillar. Survey stone was there. Nobody is bothered. Never there was lighting of any Deepam. So he immediately, on 1st December, he gave a verdict. And there was already a 2-bench judgment that no change, the place of traditional place need not be changed. So when that judgment is prevailing now, I don't know why this judge has promulgated such a new judgment, defying the division bench judgment. So it has created some law and order problem there. And immediately the petitioner filed a contempt petition. When a contempt petition coming for the court, a reasonable time should be given for the aggrieved parties. But immediately he is taking the case at 3 o'clock, the petition filed, 5 o'clock is taking. And the government objected, your time is 6 o'clock, why you are taking? Then he take up this contempt petition on 605 and passing a order. So these are all these are judgments which are not consonance with the natural justice. So to bring the knowledge of the Chief Justice of India about these judgments, we are preparing a petition to file before him. Whether there must be an inquiry. Our demand is that there must be an inquiry. So what outcome will the inquiry will come? We don't know. But just because this is the way, the judgments are produced. After taking the contempt petition, it was not implemented. Again, he take the next day morning and order that you should lit the lamp again there. So within a few hours, no intervention, no time was given for the parties concerned. So this is not a natural way of hearing the judgment. So in that way, we are preparing a